It didn't flake. It didn't flake. It didn't flake. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nana. I'm back with an important video for you guys, okay? Especially for all my curly hair sisters, the 4C sisters, or just pretty much any type 4 hair sisters, okay? For the past 2-3 weeks, I've been trying out different gels to, you know, help me maintain my curls, because I promised that this summer I am just going to fall in love with just my hair and you know, put away the wigs till like winter time, okay? Summertime is very hot and yeah, we need a break from the wig. So I tested out 3 products, okay? So right now I have with me the Ecostyle Professional styling gel. This is the Ecoplex one, and this is supposed to have, well, they say it has olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed, okay? And then this one right here is Aunt Jackie's coconut creme recipes Curlboss. So it's coconut curling jelly, okay? Now these 2 products I've used, plus this one right here, okay? I don't have the physical container, so I'm just gonna put a picture right here. Now the first time I started experimenting with my curls was with the Scurl. And you guys, I'm gonna put a video right here so you guys can see it. Hopefully I have clips of this so I can literally insert it for you guys, but if not, you guys can check it out over here. I'll post it right here so you guys can click on it. But I'm telling you, it was amazing. It was moisturizing. It was too moist. It was way too moist for me, and I'm oily. I'm an oily skin sister. I'm trying to fight excessive oils in my face. I just didn't like the fact that it was just greasy 24/7. Grease, like you touched it and your hands will be filled with grease. Weeks later, it's still greasy, okay? I mean, S-Curl is not really a gel for hair. It's for jerry curls. The whole point is to keep the jerry curls moist, okay? Too greasy for me. I even went back and did an updated video on it, just warning people with oily skin to kind of stay away from it. And if you want to use it, make sure you use a little bit. I was trying it off the first time and I was just being a little extra with, you know, the amount that I dabbed or doused on my hair. I'm not too sure, but my experience with Scurl gel activator wasn't good for my natural hair, okay? So now let's move on. Hi, stop. I then went ahead and tried the Ecostyle gel. First of all, I love the smell of this gel. I love it. It smells so good. Like, it smells, what are you guys doing? It smells so good. It just refreshes your mind. Like, I just love the smell of this. The texture is nice. It has a thick consistency. I was like, okay, this is going to be the best gel for me, okay? I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use it. I did a video about it. I posted it. I'm gonna also leave the link over here so you guys can click on it and check this video out. It just felt so good in my hair. The moment I dabbed it, pretty much pasted my hair with it, you automatically saw my curls forming, okay? My curls were just popping. And it was really good. It was moisturizing as well. It wasn't, when it dried, it wasn't too hard. But 3 days later, or it was probably like 2 days later, I didn't even notice, 2 days later, it started to flake. It started to flake. Like, my shoulders had all kinds of like white flaky stuff on it, and I was like, whoa, okay. The curls were popping, just like how this is popping, but it was flaky. Why? Why? I didn't want it to flake because it smells so good. I just wanted that experience of just, you know, going in it and just working, making love to my hair. But sis over here flakes. It flakes. Like, it really flakes. It literally flakes. And you know, a lot of people ask me, hey, does it flake? And I just couldn't refrain from saying, yes, it does. Yes, I couldn't stop saying, yes, it does. Hell yeah, it flakes, okay? So if you're getting this gel, I think this gel will be awesome for like a slick down, like when you want to slick your hair down. Yeah, it would be nice to slick your hair all in one, or slick it up But as far as like doing a wash and go, be prepared for some flakes, okay? You will experience some flakes on your shoulders. Now let's move on to Miss Jackie over here. Miss Jackie, okay? Miss Jackie just did it for me, guys. Miss Jackie, I was cautious using it. Before I used this in my hair, I went ahead and deep conditioned my hair. There's a video that I'm gonna drop on that. I DIY'd my own deep conditioner. Shout out to Tina's Tube for pretty much just inspiring me to you know, try out that deep conditioner that she did in her video. Okay, now that my hair is, you know, nicely conditioned, what am I going to do with it? So I was like, okay, well, I bought this a while ago, let me just try it. I did, and I totally love it, guys. So look at this. I totally love my curls. This is like the second day, okay? The second day, there's no flakes. There's absolutely no flakes. It just has the right amount of crunch. Like, it's not hard. My hair is still it's still soft. My curls are still popping. Look at that. The whole point of me doing this video is to let you guys know whether if it flaked or didn't flake. And at this moment, Aunt Jackie didn't flake. Hey, it didn't flake. It ain't flaking. I'm not seeing any white flakes yet on my shoulders. Like, I'm not seeing anything. Prior to this video, I did a look on this. I'll post it hopefully before I drop this video. It'll be posted. If not, it'll be posted after. So you guys watch out for this look. I tried different lip looks with this actual full look, so you guys check out that. But anyways, what I want to tell you guys is, no, this don't flake. So y'all need to go ahead and get yourself some Curlboss, a coconut curling jelly. It didn't flake. let me do a picture for my thumbnail. Oh, touche. I tried Scurl gel activator in my hair. Too greasy. I tried this beauty over here. It smells fabulous. Awesome consistency. It makes your hair very soft. Your curls will pop, but it flakes. It flakes. Okay, and then we came over here to our black owned Aunt Jackie. Hey, it didn't flake. It didn't flake. It didn't flake. You guys are looking for something that will keep your curls popping without extreme crunch, and with no flakiness. Y'all need to go with Curlboss, or try Curlboss if you haven't already. Comment down below, let me know if you guys have tried Curlboss or Ecostyle gel, in the Ecoplex one with olive oil, flaxseed, shea butter, black castor oil. First of all, that's what they say is in here. How much of the ingredients do you actually think is in the gel? I wouldn't know. Comment down below if you know, because I need to know. That's what they said is in here, so we gotta believe them, right? It smells great, so I love it. Curlboss is, for me, yes, this is the best curling jelly for my hair. Okay, now if I find any other curl creams for your hair, to define your hair, I'm definitely coming to share with that with you guys. I'm on a healthy hair journey as well as a healthy smile journey, so I'm definitely going to keep you guys posted. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Join the family, because we're talking about hair growth. Oh, and also a little spoiler alert, I'm going to do a video to tell you guys how I stopped my 3 years postpartum hair shed. Okay, I found something that is helping me control the hair shedding, or my extreme hair shedding, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. So stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss that video. And also, yeah, so that's about it. You know, I tried three of them, and I just wanted to just share that with you guys. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, if it was helpful, please give me a thumbs up, share with somebody, and let them know all the information. Tell all your curl friends, and let them know that Aunt Jackie is out here for us. Okay, Aunt Jackie know us. She know about our hair, so she came up with all that formula to help us stay satisfied. So stay curly, stay moisturized and mind your business, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hit that subscribe button, okay, if you haven't, and I'll see you later.